we've made a mistake. On the floor plan, Section F just looks like a little laundry room. We looked for it when we first searched the U-boat after you captured it, but we didn't see the entrance door. And with all the things we were worrying about back then, I suppose we didn't bother looking too closely. But now I've re-examined the floor plan and there's a reference to a completely different document. The engineering map of Section F. I'll report back as soon as I find it.
Die Terroristen werden jeden Augenblick mit dem U-Boot auftauchen. Sie wissen, die wollen auch nicht krepieren. Ist er rausgekommen? Wer? Kommandant Fischer. Nein. Warum sollte er auch nach so langer Zeit? Ist bestimmt kurz vorm Durchdrehen eingesperrt in dem Kontrollraum. Versucht noch immer das Ortungssignal ans Oberkommando zu schicken. Der kommt nie raus.
William, I found the engineering map. Ballast tank, nuclear warhead stockpile. Oh my God. Section F stretches along the entire hull of the U-boat, and we're on the biggest U-boat in the world, so this section is gigantic. Some of it must serve as a main ballast tank or something, because it's a massive volume. Be careful, William. No telling how many Nazis could be hiding in there. William, those Nazis have been surviving in there ever since you captured the U-boat 5 months ago. They must be starving and desperate. Stay safe, darling. William, those Nazis have been surviving in there ever since you captured the U-boat 5 months ago. They must be starving and desperate. Stay safe, darling.
Gefunden? Warum? Die Terroristen sind primitive Gottliebe. Ihre Gehirne sind ziemlich klein, ungefähr so wie Tennisbälle.
William, I took a closer look at the stockpile of nuclear warheads in Section F. According to the engineering map, there's dozens of warheads in there. Let's hope the Nazis haven't tampered with them.
Wird einem ja schlecht.
Ich meine das App.
Hallo! Eindringlinge Fahrtungschaft! Brauche Verstärkung!
Thank you, William. The Ausmelzer is losing track of us now. Find your way back to the locker room. Bombate will let you out of there.
Like that. A life. All they've known. All they've felt. All the shit they've gone through. All of it gone. In one moment. Like water. Like it never was.
Hey. Yeah! Come in, Captain.
We weren't at the service, why?
Look, I couldn't do it, okay? It's too much. Caroline meant more to me than anybody else on this damn ship, and now everyone is expecting me to pick up the torch. All right? Yeah, I mean, look at me, man. I can't even find a pair of headphones. All right, I failed the leadership course at Harvard, for Pete's sake. I know I put them in here somewhere. Where the heck are they? Oh! And will this ringing not stop, for Christ's sake?
You can't give up, Wyatt. We don't do that.
I'm not stupid, Captain. I saw the look in your eye up there when Frau Engel had you under her thumb. All right, the fire is gone out, and you're just on autopilot now until you hit the wall. Am I wrong, Captain? Oh, thank God. I salvaged some stuff at Jay's, you know, from the old Berlin hideout. Some old recordings and things, just for keepsake.
That boy could play the hell out the guitar, huh?
Yeah, he liked it loud.
I'll see you around, Wyatt.
Later, Captain. Hey, Captain. Would you go see Seth? He wants to give you a physical or something, you know, just see how you're doing. I think he's in his workshop.
Seth, he knows as well as I do. What I got, he can't cure.
In sad times, I like to listen to music. Do you like music, Herr Blazkowicz?
No!
What the hell is that thing?
This is not the thing, Shimshon. This is not the thing. This is the body of a squirrel monkey and the head of my beloved Siamese cat, Shoshana. Look at this. He's not gonna do anything to you. He's a good man. You see, I found Shoshana hunting for rats in the reactor room when we captured the U-boat. A few months later, she was dying of bowel cancer when I stumbled upon this practically brain-dead monkey chewing on a blasting cap. And please do me a favor, Mr. Blazkowicz, lower your axe. You're making me nervous. This is not only my favorite animal. This is most probably my most significant scientific achievement. Yes, you are significant. You hungry? Here's a fish cake. You see, in order to do a cross-species head transplant, you need to A, bridge the spinal column. She's okay. B, harmonize otherwise totally recalcitrant biological system, respiratory and circulatory.
Okay, I get it. Spare me the science mumbo-jumbo.
What am I doing? I'm like an old kachka. You had such a long day, and I'm sorry. Let's see. You want something for the sleeping?
No, I just need to keep busy.
Distractions, No, I understand. We all grieve in different ways, but I have a perfect distraction for you. Here you go. Look, a few days ago, Anya asked me to make a shooting range for the fighters on board. It's almost finished, but I was experimenting with an old German drone for target practice when suddenly this verkackte machine went Adolf Hitler on me, started running Michigan in. So, I had to lock it inside. Do you mind going in there and destroying the drone? And, feel free to try my shooting range. Tell me how you like it. Just come back, give me your thoughts when you're done, okay?
Okay, I'll have a look.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
This is a good home for us, Caroline. You always made the right call.
Oh, God. What is this thing? I can't stop eating it.
What, peanut butter?
Peanut butter. Wow.
Goldo, do you check the second exhaust filter on Haas 2?
Of course, miss. Although always do what he promised.
Bueno, you repair?
Oh, no, miss. Although not repaired, filter was not damaged. New wires needed for controlling exhaust filters.
My friend, you look, how you say, like shit, dearly cut.
The voice tells me you are in great pain, that you are being eaten from the inside.
Wow. These graphics sure are realistic. Feel like I'm inside the game.
Look out! Look out! Look out! Look out! Look out!
Bonjour, Capitaine.
How are you feeling in here, Mr. Stubbins?
Good days and bad days, Irina. I take my pills, I get aims.
Can't believe Caroline is dead. Who will lead us now?
Think maybe Wyatt will?
Interim leadership, you mean? Until we find some more suitable person?
What do I know? I'm not exactly person in
Everyone around me. I might be compelled to engage in incomprehensible.
Gonna make me chase you, ain't you? Seth's gotta be more careful with his experiments.
Moika. Captain? Dabei.
You're back, Shimshin. How was my shooting range?
Well done, Yingling. You fresh apple, you...
Blazkowicz, Your lady, Anya? She was here looking for you?
Oh, yes. Anya found Caroline's notes about the American resistance cell in New York City. Look for her in Caroline's room.
Have you listened to the paper, Hassan? The music.
Music? You want my head to explode?
They think
Okay, Max. It's time.
Max.
Hey, Max. Why you look so glum? And go, Mike goes up. This is the natural order of things. Big is dying, so you must get it.
Pleasure, Captain Blazkowicz. Good evening, Captain Blazkowicz.
Captain.
Hello, Captain.
Hello.
How are you, Captain?
Oh, William. I can still smell her in here. I found Caroline's notes on the American resistance cell in New York City. I know their exact location. Go talk to Wyatt for me. I asked him to do something, and he wouldn't come out of his room. We have to gather everyone to get ready for our next move. We've almost arrived in New York City.
How am I gonna tell her I'll be joining you, Caroline? Make her watch as I fade away. Maybe she already knows. Keeps pretending, like me.
Gosh darn it, Dick! What's up, Cap?
I reviewed Caroline's notes. The New York City resistance group is concealed at the top of the state building. It said?
Yes.
I assume the high altitude means the radiation is at tolerable levels?
Yes.
However, we can't simply fly in there in our Nazi helicopters because we're gonna be shot down.
Can we re-establish contact, let them know that we're coming?
I've looked, but I couldn't find any means of contacting them in Caroline's notes.
Well, we'll have to approach from ground level. Introduce ourselves face to face.
Ground level, I mean, the whole city is saturated by fallout from the Nazi atom bomb. Lethal levels of radiation if we go there without protective wear.
Well, this armor will protect from all radiation.
Guess you're going this one alone.
Yeah. What else is new?
Mbate, can you give him a ride?
Easy. Sure, boss.
Can I help?
5 degrees port and then continue straight forward.
You got it, Blondie. Hey, big friend. You better watch out for the crocodiles.
Crocodiles?
It's not New York underground crawling with crocodiles.
But no, I'm from Texas.